Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CGIX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, but definitely got to do it today again with some updates. I don't mean to state the obvious, but not only was the price action, absolutely crazy, but you look down here, and biggest volume this chart has had for a very long time, much bigger than even yesterday, and yesterday's volume was solid. So a lot of updates here need to be made. One of the newest areas of support, and what I would call the ideal level going into next week. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above 50 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 50, I'm not saying the entire chart's broken or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above that area, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, sure, staying above 50 cents, that would be great. But from the big picture of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, the overall level is just simply where the party stopped today, and that's right up around the 70-cent mark. But before we get to 70 cents and start focusing on that, in the near term, there seems to be some sellers that have shown up right here around the 60-cent mark. So 60 cents near-term level of resistance, and then if the price can push above there, you can start to turn your attention more so to the 69, 70-cent mark. But kind of pointless to be talking about doing battle with 70 cents until the bulls can first prove themselves in the shorter run and quote-unquote prove themselves again, being quantified as getting up above 60 cents and then staying up above it. All in all, though, very powerful move today, and next week's looking like it'll be pretty interesting.